Good afternoon, everybody. I am Swarna Malawani Moti-Mapupuno. I am your trainer for today's activity. I am here to demonstrate to you on how to decorate pastry. As you can see, these are the tools for this activity. And these are the decorations that we are going to need for decorating our pastry, which is the egg pie. Okay? For the tools, we have the dinner plate, ice cream scooper, tissue, disposable gloves. You can use food tongue if you want to, but I prefer to use disposable gloves. For the decoration for our egg pie, we have the peanuts, the chocolate, grated chocolate, nips, chocolate syrup, and then ice cream. So, this is how we are going to decorate our pastry, which is the egg pie. Get the dinner plate, then the chocolate syrup. You pour some of the chocolate syrup on the plate, and then use the disposable gloves and top with the egg pie. Then after that, we're going to top it with ice cream. Okay, then again with the syrup. Then we're going to put, this is the peanuts, this is the grated chocolate, and then to top it all, this is the purpose of the red nips, to make it more attractive. And the purpose of the tissue, you're going to wipe the excess sprinkles that you put on the dinner plate to make it more presentable. And we are done with our pastry product, the decorated pastry. Thank you and good afternoon.